What are we looking at? A little bit tall, ain't it? Come on in here. Yeah, it's good. Hey, everybody. Welcome back to another exciting episode of Hands On with BLG. I'm all wound up in the kitchen today having a blast. I've been cooking since I got out of bed. I even drank my coffee right here in the kitchen while I was working on the potatoes. But anyways, today's episode, hi everybody, welcome back to another exciting episode of Hands On with BLG. I'm BLG, I am lefty, and I am righty. There we go. I'm all excited. Cooking, I love it, love it. We're going to move on to a nice roast that we roast in the oven in this episode. As you can see, we've got our taters. Just finished the episode with the green bean casserole, homemade gratin taters. Now we're going to move on. This recipe is out of my little cookbooky thing. This recipe I was watching on YouTube, and this is a really cool guy. I'm subscribed to him. You should subscribe to him if you haven't already. My Virgin Kitchen, Barry Lewis. Great guy, good cook. This is his... Hello, everyone. Oh, anyway, I'm still farting around. We're going to do this roast. I couldn't find the fancy tie-up kind of roast and stuff like he had, but he's in England. But I found this roast. It doesn't look like one of them stringy ones. This is a 3 1/4 pound rump roast. I want to try this. Very simple. Hopefully very simple recipe. I've got the oven preheating again, this time to 425 degrees. That's what it's preheating to. So I'm going to take this bad boy out of here. This roast here. He's going to go in the pot like this here, and I'm going to throw this away. Now I'm going to wash my fingers so I can grab the salt and stuff. I got my sink of dishwater behind me, as usual. There's the oven. Doesn't take long to preheat from 350 to 425. So you take some coarse flake salt. We don't have any, but we've got this. I don't know what it is. Original mixed up salt. It's different kinds of salt. It's fairly coarse. And what you're going to do is you're going to coat the crap out of this roast here. Try to get it all on there, on all the sides. Like this. Like that. Get a whole bunch of it up on here. I'm going to take some pepper. I don't have any coarse pepper. We're just going to take pepper. I'm going to put some pepper all over this bad boy, like this. All over the outside. It should make like a little crust, if this works. Okay, I'm going to pat that down onto there, so that it stays. I'm trying to stick some in here, on the ends. Try to get some on here. On this side, a little pepper down on here. Okay, looks pretty good. A little pepper on there, a little seasoning on here, like that. I'm just going to leave this fat on here for now. Not going to bother with it. A bunch of it should melt off. So I'm just going to put a bunch of salt here and a bunch of pepper on here. That looks very crust-like. Like so. Yes. Smack him down like a little bad monkey. Alright. Now, like I said, this is the first time I'm trying this too. So, got a little bit of pepper on here. Get off there. This goes in the oven. What do we got here? What's he say? 425 degrees for the first 20 minutes. So this is going to go in our oven. 425 degrees. I'm going to set the cooking timer for 20 minutes. And start. Okay, now he's got a... I'll put these over here. Get a look at me when I'm talking to you. He's got a theory that he's got, a formula that I'm trying out. This looks really cool too. So once your 20 minutes is up at 425 degrees, you're going to turn your oven down to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, right? And once you get that turned down to 350 degrees, then to get your different donenesses of the roast, he says for a rare roast, which is like red in the middle, kind of in the center, that would be at 350 degrees for 20 minutes per pound, plus an extra 20 minutes. For medium, it'd be 350 degrees for 25 minutes per pound, plus another 20 minutes. And for a well done roast, it would be 350 for 30 minutes per pound, plus 20 minutes. I think we're going to shoot for rare. We're going to go to 20 minutes per pound, plus 20 minutes when we get to the 350 stage. And I'll see you guys when we get back to the 350 stage in 20 minutes. 18 minutes and 38 seconds. Folks, we're back. It's been the first 20 minutes at the 425 degrees, right? So now, we're going to come over here, do like we have to on this stove. You have to shut it off. And we're going to bake, right? And we're going to reduce the heat to 350, right there. So that's going to set at 350 degrees. See, like that. Now, what we're going to do, since we're shooting for rare, we're going to go to 350 degrees. We're going 20 minutes per pound, plus another 20 minutes. I've done my calculations for my little roast, and that is going to be 75 minutes. It's like an hour and 15 minutes, right? And another 20 from that. So I'm going to set my timer over here for 75 minutes and check it and go another 20 after that. And we'll see when it's all done. So this should be 90 minutes, 75, 60, 75, 75 minutes. Yeah, 60, 65, 70, 75. Hour and 15. So that'll be an hour and 20, 25, 30, 35. Should see you in about an hour and 35 minutes. And this roast will be done, hopefully. We'll see. Be right back. The roast just came out of the oven. It should be medium rare, I'm hoping. We put him over here, like this. Okay? Then we'll take some aluminum foil, a little shiny side down. We're just going to kind of drape it over. You don't want it to be covered completely, like this. Right? Now what we're going to do is come back over here, and we're going to take that onto low. I'm going to set you here, again, back to our favorite spot. See all the juice in here in the pan? Somebody's banging on the house. I think. That's what I heard. Bang, bang, bang. Oh, well. Anyways, I'm going to turn on both of these burners, right? Turn on both burners. Just like what? I'm going to put an onion in here. Whole onion. Diced up. In with the juices. Like that. See? Then we're going to get Mr. Cowboy Spoon out. And we're going to fry this onion in here with all these juices. Look at this. Fry us up an onion. Fry us up an onion. Oh, I can shut off the oven. Right, fry up an onion in the juice. Well, we're letting that fry a little bit, stirring around. The stew man is under my feet. He's right there. Cute puppies make you famous, and that is a cute puppy, folks. Hit the like button for the cute puppies. Okay, while that's doing that, oh, gotta hurry up. That sets in 400 milliliters. Oh no. Ounces, pints, ounces, cups, pints, cups, pints, ounces. Yes! I thought one of these had liters. And then take out, here we go. Have to use the smaller one. The big one doesn't have it. Alright, we have 250. that in here, like this. So out of 400, 250, 350 would be 100, right? And 50. 150. Yeah, that should do it. Milliliters. Okay, now we're back under control. I'm going to stir this around. Now that the onions are kind of fried up, I'm going to scrape all our little bits off the bottom here of our pan. I've got the oven turned on medium, right around 7. Casey was asking. And what we do with this is fry the onion, blah blah blah. It says fry the onion with the juices. Tablespoon of flour. Didn't do that yet. We'll put this in here. Tablespoon of flour. I put them away. Tablespoon. Oh shit. Oh, they're over here. Tablespoon of flour. Gotcha. Boom. 400 milliliters of water. Tablespoon of flour. That's what it says. That's what we're doing, folks. I'm going to stir this round and around. Like so. And then what's it say? Scrape around and let it get good and brown and then strain it. Okay? Scrape it around. We'll rock and roll on this little bad boy. A little bit of stuff burnt to the bottom of the pan, that's fine. A good soak and some steel wool will take that off. When it just get all good and brown here, that doesn't take very long. Look at this. That's looking pretty damn good. Just like so. Scrape and stir and scrape and stir. There we go. That's all nice and dark brown looking. So, with that, I gotta get this out of my way, and I gotta get this out of my way, and I need a big freaking bowl. Will that be big enough? Probably. I need a bowl. No, you know what? I know where I can get a bigger bowl. Right chop. I got this. I'm going to put this over in the sink here. I'm going to pray that this ought to work. We're just trying to catch the big chunks. I'll set you right in the bowl. I'm going to grab these guys and turn you around. Oh, like this. And this is going to go in that strainer, through that strainer. If it cooperates. Into the bowl. Strain and into the bowl. There we go. Like that. Alright. That goes in the sink to do its little soak. Let that stay a bit. These go down here. You could probably reuse these onions and something, but I'm not going to right now. No plans for it. You go in here for the soak. I'd like to get this more level. There we go. Okay, and here's our gravy. All right. So let me set this up real quick. Show you what we got. Okay. Let me show you what we got. Point. Put this up out of the way. That's where it goes. This over here, I know you're watching the sink fill up. The dingo's freaking out again. This is dry. That can go in there. Okay. So, plug you back in so they can look. Oh, and your meat's going to rest 10 minutes. About 10 minutes. Here's what we got here, folks, for our meal. Look at this sauce, too. Look at this gravy. Huh? You see that? Nice brown gravy. See what I got taste-wise. Oh yeah, that's the stuff. That's good. Good dipping gravy right there. So basically what we have here is a holiday dinner that now you can make. Look at this. Let me see if I can get a little closer here. Look at this. We have got au gratin potatoes, homemade. We have got green bean casserole. We have got a hopefully medium rare roast with some juice down here on the plate. That's a good thing. And we have our homemade au jus sauce. Yes, came along a wrong bit. I want to cut into this, but it hasn't rested 10 minutes. I'm going to let it rest 10 minutes, and I'll come right back. Be right back. Okay, folks, just took a slice of this bad boy. I know, it's dark in here, hard to see. Here we go, I'll set you over here. It's dark in there. There, look at that. That is right between medium and medium rare, or rare and medium. Pretty good. There's a little bit of pink right in the middle. There we go, folks. There you have it. A holiday dinner for your whole family. You can make yourself. See you next time. Hands on with BLG. Hope you liked the episode. For BLG, I'm BLG. I am righty. And I am lefty. See you guys back here for the next exciting episode. Like buttons, ring the little bells, leave comments, share these videos. Just sit back and have some fun. BLG. Goodbye. We'll see you next time.